60,000 active, and you hear really huge numbers from people, but 60,000 active, meaning they were blogging at least once a week or more frequently.
Okay.
And lately we've seen it more like 80,000. But I think the bigger question there is not just numbers, it's more the problem of thinking about how to think about new media as opposed to old media. And like it or not, new media, blogging, Twitter are, in a sense, more elite media than even broadcast newspapers.
Precisely.
So I don't think we've properly theorized or thought deeply enough about the mechanisms of action and influence with new media, and it is as much or more through their impact on knowledge elites, participative elites, the folks that are already most engaged in political action. It is far more influential on them because they participated in it a lot more. It is not really as a mass medium. So when it does have a mass effect the way a newspaper would, it's not because there's a whole bunch of people in Iran actually signed up and reading tweets.